Are you ready to start making money online but don't know where to start? Don't worry, I've been there too. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the best online jobs for beginners. These are jobs that you can start even if you have no prior experience, no degree and no tech skills. I'll also be sharing with you where you can find these jobs, how much you can earn and tips to get you hired quickly. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, please hit the thumbs up button, the like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family to help your girl's channel grow. It's free and it will help those who are just starting out on their online journey making money online. Now then, let's start with a big question. What should you look for in an online job if you're just starting out? Now then, the ideal beginner-friendly online job should have 1. Low barriers to entry, no degrees or specialized skills required. 2. Flexible hours, which is perfect if you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just testing the waters. Number 3 should be fair pay. You don't want to work for peanuts, right? I'll be sharing a mix of jobs from creative to techie to customer services, so there's something here for every one of you. So then, top beginner-friendly jobs are, number 1, job is freelance writing, which I've looked at more in depth in a previous video. So first up is freelance writing. If you love writing and can research and rephrase content, then this is for you. There are platforms like Fiverr, Upwork and Freelancer and ProBlogger, which list jobs for blog posts, product descriptions or even social media captions. Beginners can earn anything from $10 to $30 per article. Here's a pro tip. Start building a portfolio using free tools like Google Docs to showcase your sample articles to land gigs faster. Job number 2 is virtual assistant. So these jobs are perfect if you're organized and good at multitasking. You'll help business owners with administrative tasks, managing emails, scheduling appointments, or even social media posts. Here's where you are to find these jobs. Check out Belay, Boldly, or even Facebook groups. On average, your earning will be anything from $15 to $25 per hour to start, and you'll earn even more further along the way. Job number 3 is online tutoring. Do you enjoy teaching? Then online tutoring could be the thing for you. There are sites like VIP Kid, Preply and Tutor.com which assist you to teach subjects you're good at. Let's look at their requirements. For many, you just need a strong grasp of the subject you want to teach. Some platforms require a degree, but not all, and payment is around $20 to $40 per hour. Job number 4 is data entry. This is one of the simplest jobs and is just great if you're detailed oriented. You'll import or organize data for businesses. Just look for opportunities on ClickWorker or Amazon Mechanical Turk. So the pay is around $15 to $30 per hour. You are to try and avoid jobs that ask for upfront payments, as these are often scams. Guys, I'm giving away a free downloadable template with 54 digital product ideas you can use right away. Also, I've put together recently a super easy to follow ebook which is called Create and Craft Your Own Digital Products. It's pre-packed with step-by-step instructions with everything you need to get started. So if you're serious about getting into the digital market space, then this ebook is definitely for you. And I'll put my link in the description below. Job number 5 is social media management. Do you enjoy spending time on Instagram or TikTok? Then why not get paid for it? The job of a social media manager is to help businesses grow their online presence. Beginners often start by managing posts or replying to comments. Your earnings will be anything from $20 to $55 per hour as you gain more experience. Where to start? You can try Fiverr or Upwork, which are two popular platforms, or you can offer your services to local businesses. Here are some tips to get you started. All right, now you know the jobs. Let's talk about how you're going to land one. Firstly, you need to create a basic resume. Even if you have no experience, you are to highlight your soft skills like communication and time management. Secondly, build a portfolio for writing or design jobs, showcasing your work using free tools like Canva. Next, sign up for job platforms and stick to trusted ones like Upwork, Fiverr, or Indeed. And fourthly, you are to apply consistently. Don't just apply to one job and wait. Continue to make it a daily habit to send out your applications. Remember, rejection is part of the process, so don't get discouraged at the first few. So then, do I believe these jobs are the perfect starting point for anyone looking to make money from home? Indeed. Let me know in the comments below which job you're excited to try. And if you have any questions about getting started, please don't forget to leave me a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family so you never miss out on tips to earn money online. And remember, your journey might just be beginning, but every step forward counts. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.